to have a grandchildren with the gray eyes and blue eyes. And then I said to her, I don't want a foreigner because I don't want to speak English. I don't want my nose will bleed in speaking in English because I'm not really good in speaking English. So way back 2020, it's not my plan to get married with a foreigner, but God's give me a foreigner. So I said to her, now I remember before you said to me I will find a foreigner, yeah? So I have a British. I get married with a British, so I cannot give you grandchildren with the blue eyes and gray eyes. And then I said to her, why you find a cat in the street? Because there's a lot of cat in the street. Sometimes the cat have blue eyes, sometimes gray eyes.